What's going on, guys? HowToAdvance back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to make pancakes the best way. If you stay until the end of the video, you will be able to learn these techniques and be on your way to applying them. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and check out the description box below. Now let's get into the video. How we make the best fluffy homemade pancakes. This simple recipe yields light and fluffy pancakes and only requires a few simple ingredients that you most likely already have in your kitchen. Here's how to make the fluffiest pancakes. Separately combine the dry and wet ingredients, then combine just before cooking. You can combine the dry and wet ingredients as much as you want, but when the two mixtures come together, use a light touch. Overmixing the batter is a common mistake that results in heavy, flat cakes rather than fluffy ones. What you will need: 1. Flour. 2. Sugar. 3. Baking powder. 4. Salt. 5. Milk. 6. Melted butter. 7. 1 egg. 8. Vanilla extract. Our step-by-step guide to making the fluffiest pancakes. These easy pancakes come together quickly. They are ideal for children. As you can see from the reviews, many of our readers make these with their children, and sometimes the children make them. To make them, simply follow these simple steps. 1. Combine dry ingredients in a mixing bowl. 2. Warm milk and melted butter. We use the microwave. 3. Combine the wet ingredients in a mixing bowl. 4. Combine the dry and wet ingredients in a mixing bowl. 5. Cook in a well-buttered skillet. 6. Enjoy. Thank you for watching the entire video. Good luck and stay tuned.